Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows Update error 0x8024A003. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the Windows Update error while updating your Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you are seeing the error 0x8024A003, then I will show you simple method to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open the command prompt, click on start menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. In this you need to type sfc space / scan now. Then hit enter and you have to wait for some time to completely update this process. After completion of this, you need to type the second command. You have to wait until it completes, then close this window, open cmd again, then run as administrator. Then type the second command, dism space / online space cleanup. You know to space / then cleanup -image / you have to give the space and type / then restore health. Then hit enter. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restart, then you can try to update your Windows. Hopefully this issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows Update error 0x8024A003. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.